Hello, my name is Kevin with the Compulsive Investor. I'm just doing a tenant turnover today. I just got here. The tenant is finally gone. She did leave it a mess, so I'm going to have to get that cleaned out. And I'll definitely use up her security deposit. This is why tenant screening is very important. This was my second property, and this was the second tenant in that property. She was a good tenant at first until she allowed her son to move in. So anyway, I wanted to demo these landlord locks real quick, show you how I switch out my locks when a new tenant, or before a new tenant comes in. I already got my new cylinders in the mail the other day. I checked the keys, make sure they work. These special keys here, because this is a duplex with a common entrance, this key will open the common door into the foyer area, and it will open up only their tenant doors. The tenant upstairs has a different key, it opens the common door as well as only their upstairs key. So I checked these out already. I've got my master key, has a special notch in here for taking these cylinders out. Okay, so change these out, pop that in there and turn it all the way around. Sometimes they stick a little bit, and my first ones have been doing this. So I called Landlord Locks about it, and they told me to purchase this stuff. And ever since I've been using this, it's a lubricant that lubricates the cylinders really well. Haven't had the problem since then. Just spray a little bit in there like that. Sometimes I'll squirt the new cylinder. And then it goes in the same way. You stick the master key in there with the notch on it. Yeah, make sure you line up this little keyway. And it's done. And it's done. Now these new keys will be given to the next tenant. I'm going to go ahead and do the other door.